Make a great choice today with the 2020 RAV4. The RAV4 is one of the most fuel-efficient SUVs in its class. Versatile and efficient, RAV4 mixes the comfort and drivability of a sedan with the benefits of an SUV. This highly evolved, well-packaged crossover SUV lets you have it all. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitoring system, traction control, stability control, fog lights, power brakes, battery saver, braking assist, adaptive cruise control, multifunction display, retained accessory power. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.